what excites you most in real estate? I call real estate kind of the 31 flavors Baskin Robbins, right? I mean, when you say you're in real estate, saying I love real estate is kind of like saying I love ice cream, but which flavor do you love? Because when I go to Baskin Robbins, it's mint chocolate chip, right? For me, in real estate, it's flipping. How about you? What's your favorite flavor? What excites you most in real estate?
I mean, in my heart, I'm an investor. I love the investing side. That's where I started. That's where a big chunk of our business is. So on the investing side, nothing gets me more excited and juiced than inking a deal when we go buy it. So when I put a deal together, when we're buying something, that gets me just the most amped. And then the rehab, that's cool, that's fun. We sell it on the back end, we make money, whatever. But like my blood gets going when I'm inking that deal.
Nice.
On the front side. And then on the retail side, I really enjoy when I'm handing keys to a new homeowner, and especially first-time homeowners. We just did it earlier this week. It was a referral from longtime clients of mine, their little brother. We got him a house up in Ogden. We helped him with the loan too, but first home, 0 down payment, just literally watching us create a dream come true for them, and give them their keys and those huge smiles, like that's pretty cool too.
That is cool. I totally agree. For me, I love the first day of renovation, like when I show up with my contractors and we're trying to figure out what walls we're going to blow out. That's where my creative juices come out, and that's where I get the most excited. But I do love hearing that. The email come in, congratulations, you're under contract. If I'm buying it from somebody that's represented by an agent. Obviously, if it's face to face at a kitchen table, then I'm knowing right there, which is exciting too.